Nyo Ba?
Okay mga kaibigan, dito po sa Alam Nyo Ba, ituturo namin mga hindi nyo alam. Kaya kung alam nyo na, makinig lang kayo at ituturo lang po namin yan.
Alright.
Okay, so, it's Saturday and it's weekend at ito'y pwede nilang gawin din bukas, kahit Sunday. Okay?
Tungtong ka nga dun sa ano.
Ano ba? Yan?
Yan.
Ano ba ang pwede nating gawin dito sa ating home treatment for shortness of breath?
Ayan, pakinggan nyo maigi ha. Dahil ngayon ay araw ng tag-init sa ating bansa o yung tinatawag nating summertime. Marami ang nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang problema sa puso at sa baga. Na kung saan ang puso at baga ay napakalaking part para mabuhay, lumakas ang ating katawan dahil sa kanilang dalawa dapat umikot, mag-circulate ang dugo, kay baga naman magsimula ang oxygen na ihahalo sa dugo para ito ay mag-circulate. So, dahil panahon ng tag-init, syempre, pare koy, nagkakaroon minsan, hindi lang basta tag-init ha, minsan hindi naman tag-init pero nangyayari ito. Dumarating sa punto ng isang tao na nakakaramdam siya ng kinakapos ng hangin.
Kinakapos.
Ang English niyan is shortness of breath. Okay? Ang medical term niyan is dyspnea. Dyspnea. D-Y-S-P-N-E-A.
Ayun.
Parang kang nag-hyperventilate. You need more air. So, shortness of breathing. Ngayon, ito good news. Dito sa Alam Nyo Ba, ang ituturo ni Boss Vic, ano po, ay walang iba, home remedies. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi naman ito pang emergency, no, ito yung pwede nyong gawin para madagdagan ng hangin yung loob ng katawan. Basa!
Okay. Ang shortness or breath or dyspnea is an uncomfortable condition that makes it difficult to fully get air into your lungs. Problem with your heart and lungs can harm your breathing. If your shortness of breath isn't caused by medical emergency, you could try several types of home treatments that are effective at helping alleviate this condition. Many simply involve changing position, which can help relax your body and airways.
Diba? So, ang ituturo namin, mga simple, no, kayang-kaya mong gawin kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, pero malaki maitutulong nito para pumasok yung hangin. Alright? Sige.
Okay.
Alam mo, nakakatawa, may video greetings po galing sa Hong Kong.
Oy, sa Hong Kong!
Mamaya, panoorin natin. Busy. Sige. So, balikan muna natin yung topic. Go!
Okay, number 1.
Ito yung mga dapat nyong gawin, ha? Una.
Okay, una. First, lip breathing.
Okay. Bihira nyong marinig to. Hindi pa namin na-share to sa Alam Nyo Ba. Ang marami nating naituro sa kanila, pare, yung Japanese Hako method, inhale, exhale na basic. Pero itong tinatawag na first lip breathing, ito po yung para kang pipito. So, forma ka na mag-i-inhale ka sa ilong mo, relax mo dapat yung shoulder mo.
Your neck and shoulder muscle.
Tapos, inhale sa ilong.
Slowly breathe in through your nose for 2 counts.
2 counts.
Keeping your mouth closed.
Tapos,
purse your lips as if you're about to whistle.
Yun! So, yung inhale mo ng 2 seconds, i-blow mo ng 4 seconds, kailangan yung lips mo parang pasipol. Pasipol, hindi sisipol. Yun. So, isa yon dahil makakatulong yun, kumuha ng oxygen at mag-stay yung oxygen dahil yung pagbuga mo ng hangin, mas unti. Next. Ang tawag dyan?
Ay pursed lip breathing.
Pursed lip breathing. Ulitin ko ha, ito yung sample. Inhale. Do it for 5 to 8 counts at makikita mo, unti-unti para kang nare-relax. Next!
Number 2, sitting forward. So, kailangan
Okay,
natin
ng upuan.
Upuan.
Makechep. Ayan. Tapos,
Okay. Sitting forward. Resting while sitting can help relax your body and make breathing easier.
Ay.
Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor.
flat daw dapat. Upo ikaw. If kailangan yung dalawang paa mo nasa floor, okay?
Leaning your chest slightly forward.
Aha, yan.
Then-
Teka lang ha. Side view tayo.
Side view.
Okay,
Then-
nakaupo, naka-flat
Yan.
yung
Feet
paa.
On the
Tapos,
floor.
lean your,
Your
chest,
chest
forward.
forward.
That's it.
Gently rest your elbow on your knees and hold your chin with your hands.
Hold your chin with your head.
Okay. And remember to keep your neck and shoulder muscle relaxed.
Ang neck at saka yung muscle, leeg at saka yung muscle ng shoulder mo, dapat relax lang. Tapos,
Ipasok mo ang iyong likod sa harap. Yan. Sige pa. Yan. Okay. And deep breathing for 5 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So, yan po yung ating
ikalawa.
number 2.
Alright.
Okay. Next, number 3. Kailangan naman natin ng table.
Table.
Table and chair. Yan. Yung kulay, yung ano lang, yung square. Hindi na yan. Yung square, yun.
Ito, yan.
Okay. This number 3, sitting forward supported by a table.
Ito, forward mo konti.
Forward
ron.
mo ng
Yan.
konti.
Okay, paano, Boss Vic?
Okay, sitting forward supported by a table. If you have both a chair and table to use, you may find this to be slightly more comfortable sitting position in which to catch your breath. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor.
Ganun pa rin, ha?
Facing the table.
Nakaupo ka, naka-flat pa rin yung paa, nakaharap ka sa table.
Okay.
Okay, tapos?
Lean your chest slightly forward and rest your arms on the table.
Yan.
Rest your forearms or on a pillow. O kailangan may
Kung
pillow.
mas maganda, may pillow. Ito,
Pillow.
Yan.
Yan.
Tie a pillow ribbon on the old oak tree.
Yan.
Alright, tapos?
Okay. And then hihiga ka sa pillow.
Nakaside yung ulo.
view. Yan. Okay. So rest your head on your forearms on a pillow. And do your breathing exercise. So pwede niyong ulit-ulitin ulit ang inyong pag-breathing. That is number 3 position.
Sarap nun. Parang
Sarap.
gusto kong tulog na.
Hindi, gising ka muna. Mamaya pa tayo. O bakit? Na paano ka? Sumabit? Masakit yan? Sumabit?
Sakit.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Standing with
Standing.
supported back.
Ito naman. Sa ano naman to? Tatayo
wall.
ka. Pang anong number tayo? Pang-apat
Wall.
na.
Pang-apat.
Sige,
Sa wall.
kita naman ako dito. Ayan. Op.
Standing
Okay, kita.
forward. Yan. With standing with supported back. Standing can also help relax your body and airways. Stand near a wall facing away and rest your hips on the wall. Okay? Keep your feet shoulder width apart and rest your hand on your thighs. Yan. With your shoulder relaxed, lean slightly forward and dangle your arm in front of you. Yon. So, yan po ang posisyon ng ating padpaw ng security agency.
Anong padpaw? Ayun.
Okay.
Sa taas mag-i-inhale, exhale ka
Inhale,
din.
exhale din.
Kasi
That is-
mas maganda yung daloy ng hangin. Pag straight na straight ka, mas okay yung circulation. Next.
Number 5.
Number 5 na.
Last 2.
Last 2.
Standing with supported arm. So, kailangan mo lang ng table. Aalisin lang itong
Tatanggalin
chair.
natin yung chair.
Kailangan mo lang ng
Table. Alright. Tapos, 1 foot
Okay.
forward.
Stand near the table or other flat sturdy piece of furniture that just below the height of your shoulder. So, yan. Sturdy furniture. Pwede na yan. Rest your elbows and hand on the piece of furniture or your table. Okay. Keep your neck relaxed. Okay. Rest your head on your forearms and relax your shoulder. Yan. Okay. Then, do your breathing exercise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gising na uwi.
Patulog na naman ako.
Tulog ka na naman.
Patulog na naman
That
ako.
is number 5.
Number 5.
Okay, number 6. Last.
Last one.
Not the least.
Teka lang, sagutin ko. Alicia Grimaldo, may bayad po ba ang consultation? Wala po. Lahat po ng ginagawa namin dito, libre po para sa inyo. Next.
Sleeping in a relaxed position.
Yan. Wala tayong kama, ha?
Wala
Pero sleeping on a relaxed position. Ganito lang po. Papaliwanag na natin ng simpleng-simple. Pag nahiga kayo, ang unan ilagay sa batok. Ibig sabihin, lalagpas yung ulo mo sa unan. Okay, yun yun. Relax. Yun ang tamang relax. Pangalawa, isa pang unan, ilagay mo sa ilalim ng tuhod mo. So, kung i-imagine mo, yan, nakaangat, may unan doon sa tuhod, nakaangat din yung iyong leeg dahil may unan sa may batok. Pagka nakahiga ka ng ganyan, flat mo lang yung kamay mo, and then inhale, exhale. That's one of the best way to get oxygen for your lungs, to get more oxygen para ihalo sa dugo, hayaan mong yung daladalang oxygen ng dugo mag-circulate properly sa buong katawan po ninyo.
Yan.
Okay.
So, yan yung ating 6 na home treatment for shortness of breath.
Ulitin natin. Number 1,
Number 1, pursed lip breathing.
yung nakaganon, take off yung bibig. Number 1.
Okay.
Number 2,
Sitting forward.
nakaupo pero nakalin.
Sitting forward supported by table.
Pangatlo, yung supported ng table, yung may pillow. Number 2,
Standing with supported back sa
apat,
wall.
yung nakatayo doon sa isang wall.
Okay, standing with supported arms sa table.
Sa table, yung nakaganon. Okay.
And number 6, sleeping in a relaxed position.
Yan po ang mga home treatments para po makatulong kapag po tayo ay kinakapos ng hangin sa paghinga o dyspnea. At natutunan nyo lang yan dito lang sa
Alam niyo ba?
Alright!